What's up, guys? How's it going today? I hope you're thankful for joining me today. I really appreciate that. I'm Eric. I'm a non-native speaker, but I'm here to help speak better English. And more than that, I would like to show the world the best version of yourself. So if you like this kind of content, stay present, keep watching, and make use of this efficient way to make it easy to learn English. And more than that, guys, you can call me, right? So here we go. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the following topic to become fluent in English, alright? So let's break it down. See guys, you can understand English, but when you try to speak English with other people, the word just can't come out from your mouth. This is a fact, right? So I would like to know, this sounds like you? If so, it's not good. But in today's video, I'm gonna show how can you overcome this issue and get ready to get fluent, right? So stay tuned and keep watching. I know, man, it's so hard for you when you try to speak English with other people and the words don't come out from your mouth, and sometimes you stuck, you feel sad, you feel upset, you feel nervous, you feel shy because you really can't let the conversation move, let the conversation flow. I know that's not good, right? But keep this in your mind. To learn any language is a process, right? So in this case, you need to try to absorb this idea and try to manage the situation in the best way, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't feel upset because of this. Instead of, try to keep your mind up and try to do your best. It's the good way that you need to take, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to speak English easily without effort, what you need to do? Good question. You need to follow this step that I'll give you right now. For sure, you get tremendous result and so on. I promise you. In addition, you feel more confident when you need to have some conversation with native speaker or the kind of people. You know what I'm saying? See guys, I used to say this all the time on my videos. You need to create a plan. It's crucial, it's essential. Why? What the reason? Because you follow a step that allows you to feel more confident when you need to have some English conversation. Think about it. So right now, guys, I would like to say some interesting thing. Stay tuned. Most English students make huge mistakes. They think that memorize a lot of words, grammar rules, and this stuff, they will become fluent in English. It's not true. Look at this example. For you to become fluent in English, you need to open your mouth in speaking. Because see, even you know a lot of grammar, even you know a lot of words, but if you don't open your mouth speaking, then you become useless. Right? Makes sense? So in the other hand, if you have a basic vocabulary, if you have a basic grammar, but you open your mouth speaking, chances are to become fluent in a short period of time. I can't say this on my videos. So guys, all that you need to do is open your mouth and speak. I know, sometimes you have some trouble, sometimes you have some difficulty to practice your speaking, like, oh, I'm sorry, but I have no partner here that I can practice. The city that I live have no native speaker that I can practice my English as well. I know that, but you need to keep your mind that this don't happen exactly with you. This happens with the majority all over the world as well. So in this case, you're not alone. Right? So guys, no excuse. On internet you have the chance to get a lot of font of research that you can make use, that you can implement, that you can apply in your English study plan. There you find many videos that can help in this way. For sure, you find one that really can help you. Please, no excuses, do it. So guys, looks like that our time is done. Think about everything that I said here. And guys, try to extract something that really can make difference in your study plan. Right? Man, I hope this video really can help, sincerely. So if you like this kind of content, hit the button below and leave your comments, right? I really appreciate that. See you the next time. Bye for now. Take care. Peace.